Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to refund a game on Epic Games. Beware, you can only get a refund on a game that you have not played more than 2 hours or that you bought over 2 weeks before the refund request. Start by opening up the Epic Games launcher and click on the circle in the top right corner with the first letter of your Epic Games name in. Next, choose Account. This will open up a page on your browser. After that, choose Transactions. Then click on the game you would like to refund and choose Request Refund under Email Receipt on the right. Now choose any reason and choose if you want your refunded money to go to your Epic Games wallet or to your bank. Finally, click on Confirm Refund, and your money will be refunded within 1 to 7 business days. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.